In today's Wix tutorial, I will show you step by step how to add text to your Wix website. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now just one quick note, if this video does help you out, please let me know by leaving a comment. Just tell me it works so that I know this tutorial is still up to date. And now with all of that being said, let's get started. First off, you want to go over to the Wix site editor, and once you're there, you simply want to go over to the plus or add button and click on it. You'll then see text, and you can simply go over to theme text, titles or a paragraph. Now if you don't have any space where you can place your text, just go over to the bottom of your website and click on the blue plus button. It will say add strip, so click on that, and then you want to go over to the strips right here and simply drag a strip onto your website. Now in this case it does place it in the wrong placement, so I'm going to drag this back up and I'm going to place it below my store. And now we have added the strip, so we can also place the text on it. So I'm simply going over to add, then I go over to text, and I want to add a themed title, or actually a caps title. I'm gonna drag that right here. You can then click on it and click on edit text. Here you can change the themes, the font size, and of course you can also make your text bold or make it italic. There's also a lot of effects that you can add. For example, you can also make it vertical text, and maybe even add a shadow. I myself don't really like this, however you are able to do so. If you want to do that, you actually need to do Ctrl A, and you can then add the shadow. And here you have it, the caps title. Of course you can change the text as well, so let's say it's subscribe now. Then you're gonna drag that to the center again. And that's basically how to add text to your Wix website in 2022.